Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate passive income. Fezamarket's innovative affiliate program will help you earn $100,000 or more in 2025. Step 1. Join Fezamarket affiliate program for free at fezamarket.com. You'll access high commissions, trending products, and performance tracking tools. Step 2. Choose your niche to target a specific audience effectively. Consider tech gadgets, health, fashion, or home products. Step 3. Build your online presence through a blog, social media, and email lists to promote Fezamarket products effectively. Step 4. Create compelling content like product reviews and tutorials. High-quality content drives traffic and boosts conversions. Step 5. Drive traffic to your affiliate links using SEO, social media ads, collaborations, and email campaigns to attract visitors consistently. Step 6. Track your progress using analytics tools to monitor performance and focus on the best strategies. Step 7. Scale your efforts by reinvesting earnings. Expand into new niches and automate your content. Many Fezamarket affiliates have achieved over $100,000. Follow these steps to grow your affiliate income. Start your journey today. Sign up for the Fezamarket affiliate program at fezamarket.com and build your path to financial freedom.